Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for the Miles Franklin channel. And a quick story about the latest news to cut US dollars out of international financing. Here you can see India and the United Arab Emirates signed currency swap deals to boost trade ties. But let's scroll down here and again see why they are doing this. As we look through the currency swap agreement, both India and the UAE can make payments in their respective currency to boost in trade investment without involvement of a third currency like the dollar. Hardly the first news we've seen of this nature in the past year or two. Obviously, there's the petro yuan developed by China. China has been talking to African countries about using the yuan as a reserve currency. Russia's dumping treasuries, buying gold. I believe China and Japan signed an international trade arrangement to not have to use dollars. And again, here you can see India and the UAE doing similar. Again, keep in mind that India in particular, also big gold and silver buyers. So you can see the handwriting on the wall. Obviously, I get it for those who are waiting for the price of gold and silver to reflect that. You know, it's been a test in patience and requiring us to wait patiently, yet still, when you look at the fundamental things that are happening and where this is heading, U.S. debt load's getting bigger than ever. The Fed now signaling that next week next week still likely to raise interest rates, although slow down after that. It was interesting, though. I did see the probability of a hike as being priced in the Fed funds futures had been 84% to hike next week, now down to about 74%. So again, still I would say the expectation is you will see a rate hike from the Fed next week, but certainly the market beginning to price in that it's less likely, and certainly the hikes going forward are less likely. So again, you see foreign partners walking away from the dollar. At the same time, the Fed is signaling that it's getting ready to start printing more of them, which is again why I talk so much about gold and silver and own gold and silver myself. So if you have any questions about that, leave your comments below. You can also reach me at cmarcus@milesfranklin.com. And with that said, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you again soon.